This video is not meant to be used alone or in place of therapy. It's meant to supplement the work you're doing with a therapist or with a group. So we're going to walk through an exercise called Secure Place. And this is meant to stabilize us and help us deal with stresses of life or triggers. And so I want you to use your imaginations and create for yourself a place where you can go. Anything. It could be anything. It could be outside in nature. It could be inside somewhere where you feel secure. It could be a real place, or it could be some place that's completely your own creation. You can draw it out, you can paint it out, or you can close your eyes and really just use your imagination. And while you're creating this secure place, think about the things that you want to include. Is there furniture? Are there plants? Are there animals? We generally recommend not having people, but if you do want to have people, you can invite those people in, and then also if you're having difficulty with those people or need to be alone, you can ask those people to leave. So what are the things that are included in your secure place? And then think about what you're hearing in your secure place. Is there music or silence, or is there birds or other animals? What do you hear in your secure place? Also, what do you smell in your secure place? It could be candles, it could be nature, it could be baked cookies, anything. What do you want to smell in your secure place? And then also, what are the textures and the feels of your secure place? How do the objects feel when you touch them? How does the ground feel under your feet? How does the temperature of the air feel? Is it warm or is it cool? Does it have a breeze or is the air still? Really get your eyes closed and really put yourself in that secure place. And what we're going to do is we're going to tap in to our secure place. So there are a couple ways to tap in. You can cross your arms over on biceps and tap one side and the other side. Or you can do a butterfly tap where you cross your thumbs over, crossing your wrists, and placing your thumbs here on your clavicle. You can tap one side, then the other side. There's also walking in to your secure place, which I like a lot, but it's hard for us to show on video. So it would be having your feet down and lifting one heel and the other heel. I'm going to use the butterfly tap since that's the easiest to show on the video. And so just slowly adventure around your secure place as you're tapping or walking one side and then the other. The key is to tap very slow. Take a breath and notice what you're feeling. And it's okay if you're not feeling anything right now. Sometimes it takes a couple of times to get it right. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work. And so if you're not feeling anything, feel free to go ahead and tap in again. Remember, we want to go slow and short. We don't want to do long taps and we don't want to do fast. So notice the feelings. And then you want to name your secure place. It could be the feeling that you have when you're there, peace or relaxation, or it could be nature, like where you are. It could be nature, living room, anything. And so whatever word you want to use to name it, because that's the word you're going to use to remind yourself of your secure place. I'm going to use secure since we're already using the secure place word to name the exercise. So you're going to imagine yourself going around your secure place again, just walking around, touching things, smelling things, and say your name of your secure place out loud. Secure. 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 Good. Take a breath. And just notice the feelings that you're having as you're in your secure place. Now we're going to practice using the secure place. So on the scale of 1 to 10, 1 being really not that big of a deal to 10 being the most upsetting it possibly could be, we want to use a 1 or a 2. Something that's mildly upsetting, that's not going to bring up some very negative memories, just to practice using your secure place. I'm going to use the example of videos buffering on YouTube and having to wait for it to work. Mildly frustrating, mildly upsetting, but not very upsetting. And so I'm going to get in touch with those emotions of frustration, and then I'm going to use my secure place using the butterfly taps. Secure. 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 And breath. work. And just notice the feelings that you're having. And if you're having trouble connecting with this and using your secure place, you can imagine what it would feel like to be able to learn how to use this. Maybe you'd feel empowered, maybe you'd feel in control. Sometimes even just focusing on learning something is the very first step to actually doing it well, and learning is part of the process. We're going to further practice using our secure place. So I want you to go back into the past and think about a time where being able to use your secure place would have been really helpful for you. Could have been a time where you were feeling very triggered, or an argument with a loved one, or some stress going on at work or school. Think about that and think about the emotions you were feeling at that time and get in touch with that past event. And then we're going to use our secure place. Secure. 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 Take a breath. Good work. Notice the difference in your emotions from what you were feeling before to what you're feeling now. And we're going to do one more thing. We're going to practice using our secure place in the future. And so imagine a time in the near future where there may be something that may stress you out or upset you. Maybe it has something to do with this COVID pandemic and working at home or being away from friends, or maybe it has nothing to do with that and it's with past triggers or whatever that may be. Just imagine what may upset you in the future. Imagine the feelings that you would feel and get in touch with that. And we're going to use secure place. Tapping in, slow, secure, secure, secure. Take a breath. Good work. So a couple of notes. The tapping needs to be very slow and very short. If we tap for long or if we tap fast, we can bring up past memories, which is not what we're trying to do right now. Also, this is meant to be a support in addition to therapy or support groups with a trained therapist, and not meant to be used just on its own in place of therapy. And also, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. If it's not working for you right now, maybe it's time to put it away and try it again a different time. Thank you so much.